Welcome to the Arsenic Cooking channel. Today we'll be making carrots and eggs salad. So what we'll need are 3 medium-sized carrots cooked in a boiling water, 2 boiled eggs, some mushroom, I usually have like 4 or 5, and quarter of an onion. If it's a large onion, quarter. If it's a medium-sized onion, then a half. So first what we'll do is let's fire up the stove, and the mushrooms are gonna go first. And I don't put any oil. I want to make sure that the water evaporates from the mushrooms. While the mushrooms are sauteing, what I will do is shred some carrots and eggs. Now the eggs. Once enough liquid had evaporated from the mushrooms, what I will do is add a little bit of olive oil and then put in the onions. Make sure everything is finely chopped. That is the mushrooms and onions. As you can see, they're small pieces. So I'm adding olive oil. And now the onions go in. Mix it all together, and you will saute it in a pan for approximately 5 to 6 to 7 minutes, depending on how large your pan is, until it is golden brown. The eggs and carrots were shredded, and mushrooms and onions were sauteed. So now we're going to combine all of it together. Just like that. Look how easy it slides off. Now we'll mix it all together. Okay, now we'll add mayo. You can be very generous with the mayo. Never go wrong with that. Some salt. And some cracked pepper. You can add either black or white pepper, whichever you prefer. The salad is ready. Now I'm going to put it inside a nice, cute little bowl. And this portion will feed approximately 3 to 4 people. I mean, you can have a bit larger portions and feed 2. But it was so delicious that my dad actually ate the whole thing yesterday. So here you go. This is a salad. It's very rich salad. It's very delicious. It has carrots, eggs, mushrooms and onions, and of course the mayo gives that richness. It gives that creamy texture, and because the carrots were boiled, it will also be very soft to your palate. So now let's try it. I'm actually looking forward to taking a bite of this salad. All right. It's good. One thing I would like to mention, and just not to talk with my mouth full, but when you're cutting onions and mushrooms, just make sure you cut it into as smaller pieces as possible. It will play well with the whole consistency with carrots, with the mashed or shredded carrots and eggs. So yeah, just make sure you cut them as two small pieces. Other than that, this is delicious salad. It's super rich. It pairs well with any kind of meats. You can also boil potatoes on the side or anything else, but even a couple of spoons, like a tablespoon full of the salad, will be enough for you. So yeah, enjoy it. Actually, stay tuned. I have another recipe, a carrots and eggs recipe for the next time, and I hope you enjoyed this salad. Until that next time, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned on the Arsenic Cooking channel.